welcome back to my channel and thank you all for joining me for a very quick CVS video. I decided to share this deal in case anybody need a free Air Wick warmer or a filler item if you have a 10 of 70 next purchase CRT. The deal I'm talking about is Air Wick Advanced plugin. They on sale for $4 and when you buy two, you get $3 back. Check your app because we have a $4 coupon that you can just pick up one and use the $4 coupon, making it free. But if you'd rather do the deal, pick up two, that will total $8. Use the $4 coupon and you pay $4 and get $3 back, and that will make both just $1 or 50 cents each. And this concludes my video. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for all your support, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.